I cannot find the tasting notes in my final cup. I get this question a lot. Let me give you three tips which will help you overcome this problem. The first one is, if you're trying to find the tasting notes mentioned in the coffee bag, first you should have tasted that note in its natural habitat. Let me explain this with an example. Take blueberry. Now, when it comes to blueberry, it is not something you will find in most of the Indian houses. You might have either tasted it in the cheesecake or in the very popular epigamia yogurt. So whenever you're trying to find the blueberry in anything, the association is not just with the fruit, but also the creamy lactonic part of the dairy. Another example is, if you've tasted blueberry syrup, that is not just blueberry, it is blueberry plus sugars. But the same thing cannot be said for mangoes. Most of us tasted mango all the time. So yes, try to find these fruits. If you're not able to find it in the local market, use apps like Blinkit. I use it all the time to find these exotic fruits and taste them. Also, some of the fruits which may sound exotic, but you may have already tasted that because you know them via a different name. Google about that as well. My second tip is, fix your brewing. I see a lot of people making a lot of brewing mistakes and then they complain that they don't find the tasting note. My final tip is, even if you're not able to find that exact note, try to find the main group of that note. For example, if someone has written yuzu in the note and you have no idea about it, you googled it, you found out it's some form of lemon, the main family of that fruit is citrus. So if you find something citrusy in your final cup, then that's more than enough to chill out and enjoy the final cup. And after following all the tips, if you're still not able to find that tasting note in the final cup, only then you can blame the roaster. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. I will see you in the next video.